Καλώς.
Καλώς.
Γεια σου Υπουργέ.
Καλώς είναι.
Πώς είσαι?
Και στην πόλη μου.
Hello, how are you? I'm very happy to see you.
Τι κάνετε?
It's a pleasure to have Commissioner Damanaki.
We need to put the problem of excessive fishing power back on the map, back on the international agenda. We need a renewed political will, and we should agree on the way forward. We should discuss, benchmark, create alliances. These are all necessary steps towards any political solution.
As no more subsidies are paid for building fishing gear.
We are committed to addressing the problem global fishing overcapacity. There is work to be done, and we will do our best to succeed.
As fish stocks are dwindling, the fishermen are in a race to grab what is left in the sea. I was there in person and just say thank you very much.
Today, we are here because overfishing is threatening the livelihoods and food security for hundreds of millions of people worldwide. Today, we are here because barely 3% of our oceans are protected in a manner that they need in order to be able to produce what we harvest from them.
In the sea that transport cargo.
It is time to lay down our weapons in truce and coordinate our efforts for the sustainable use of all marine resources. Nobody will win if we persist in depleting our seas and those of our neighbors. After all, we are inseparable.
Αν υπογράψει μια κοινή διακήρυξη από την Ευρωπαϊκή Ένωση, τις Ηνωμένες Πολιτείες και την Ιαπωνία, ήδη ξεπερνούμε το 50% της παγκόσμιας κατανάλωσης ψαριών και επομένως ουσιαστικά μπορούμε να βάλουμε τους κανόνες του παιχνιδιού. Ο στόχος είναι να επεκτείνουμε την υπογραφή και με άλλες χώρες, ώστε τελικά να μπορέσουμε να πετύχουμε αυτό που λέμε παγκόσμια διακυβέρνηση στο θέμα της αλίας.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Σας υπενθυμίσω ότι η διάσκεψη συνεχίσει αύριο.